Hello everyone! For making a flower, take any color chart paper, fold it into half, matching the edges. Now fold it again into half. Use your finger to flatten the paper, and you will need little strength to press it. Fold again into half. Now we have folded it 3 times. Notice you should have 8 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 sheets here. If you have 8 sheets, you are ready to go further. Now after you have folded, now we'll draw a shape of a petal. For that, use the help of your hand. Stretch your index finger and your thumb as far as you can. Stretch it nicely and put it on the paper. With the help of a pencil, just trace. Similarly for the other side, stretch as much as you can and trace. If your shape is not coming good, you may also draw a little bit to correct it. Okay, now with help of a scissors, we will cut this shape. Now we'll cut all these sheets together. It will save our time. Okay, hold these firmly. You may also add a pin at the side. Okay, and then we'll start cutting. Now the scissors should point outwards. Okay, not towards you, no. It should point outwards always. We'll use our other hand, this hand, to move the paper. Start cutting. Hold this firmly as the pin is on the other side. This is all open. You have to hold it nicely. Otherwise it will move. Okay. After cutting this, you will notice that you will have 8 petals with you. Save it for later. Just fold this into half to get a line in between. Likewise, fold it for all the 8 petals. Now take a thick sheet for the base. You can take any other color if you have. Take any object to trace a circle. We'll draw one big circle and then we'll trace a smaller circle inside. So you can grab any circular object which is available around you, somewhat like this, and we'll just cut the outer circle. The circle which is outside. Now we'll move our other hand, which is not holding the scissors, to move the paper while the scissors remains in the same direction. Let's start cutting the outer circle. After using the scissors, put it back in a closed position. Don't put it like this on the table. No. Close it and put it aside on the table. Now take some glue and we'll just paste in the outer circle. Put little glue at the bottom and let it hold it for 10 seconds. Press it with your finger. Now notice the longer side is outside. After it's stuck, we'll move on to the second petal. Little bit glue, not too much, and we'll place this just opposite to one we placed earlier. Just the opposite. Hold it for 10 seconds and it's done. Let's move on to the third one. A little glue. Now we'll place in the middle of these, just roughly. Don't measure anything, just roughly in the middle of these two. Now the fourth one at the opposite of this. We paste in the middle of these four. Let's just keep it aside for drying, and let's make petals one more time. Stretch as much as possible. Trace for the other side as well. Correct the drawing if you don't like it. And let's cut. Wow, we have 8 more petals now. Don't forget to fold them from the middle. We'll bring this back and now we'll paste it inside. You can use a smaller object to trace a circle inside. If you don't have a smaller object, you can just draw it freehand. Now let's start pasting it. Remember to use a little drop of glue. And now we won't go beyond this circle and paste this between these two petals. Hold it for a few seconds. When you're pasting, just make sure it's in between this V. Just in the middle of this V. Again, the longer side outside. And the last one. Wow, you have made a really big flower. Don't pick it up till it all dries. You can use a black sketch pen or a brown sketch pen to make little dots inside. You may also use tea leaves and paste them in between. And we have a flower ready.